this end, you just stick the opposing ends. Then you wet it again. You stick it tight against the chip and just drag down the pins. If you drag and it quits soldering, just stop, add a little bit more solder, and just drag right down it. It's super easy. And once you get it down, it's not hard. If you get a bridge, just clean the tip of your iron off, lay it on there, and it'll suck it right off. There's nothing to it. It's quite easy. If you want to look on the internet about drag soldering, you don't need a fancy tip. Just a chisel tip will work just fine, and it's easy. I mean, nothing to it. That was the first time I drag soldered, and it worked out fine. So just goes to show you, it's not that hard. So we'll take a little listen to this thing, and you can see how cool it is. Hello folks, here's the this is the meter, the spectrum analyzer complete, and let me get the focus right here, and this is case and everything completely done, and much better video, so I'll give you a little listen. It's got 2 modes. That's the left and the right channel mode. I don't really like it as much. I prefer this mode. This is the 12 band version. They make a smaller version, but this is the 12 band version. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, it works very well. If you want this thing, there'll be a link in the description. It was easy to build. Nice pads. A little bit of SMD soldering, but it wasn't bad, so. But a very good result. Plus it gives you that pride of, making something yourself. And it's pretty cool. I mean, it looks pretty good. I definitely like it. Till next time, stick with me. There's more coming. Have a good one.